Have you ever wondered about the life of a baboon? Let's embark on a journey into the fascinating world of these primates. Baboons, members of the Papio genus, are some of the world's largest monkeys, with males reaching up to 50 pounds. Their physical characteristics are as intriguing as their behavior. They sport a combination of human-like and dog-like features, with a muzzle much like a dog's but a posture similar to ours. Their fur varies from gray to brown, and their distinguishing feature, the brightly colored and padded rump, is impossible to miss. 5 different species of baboons exist, each with its own unique traits. The olive baboon is the most widespread, named for its coat's olive-like color. The yellow baboon, found in eastern Africa, has a yellowish-brown coat. The chacma baboon, the largest of the species, resides in southern Africa. The hamadryas baboon, considered sacred in ancient Egypt, is native to the Horn of Africa and the southwestern tip of the Arabian Peninsula. Lastly, the Guinea baboon, the smallest of the species, is found in West Africa's savannas. These intriguing creatures inhabit some of the most diverse habitats on the African continent, from the grassy savannas to the Saharan deserts, from the highlands of Ethiopia to the rainforests of Guinea. Baboons have adapted to survive and thrive. They prefer open habitats and avoid dense forests and deserts, but you can find them in virtually every environment. They are most populous in Africa, particularly in areas with abundant water and safe sleeping places such as trees or cliffs. Baboons are indeed similar to monkeys in some ways, but they also have their unique characteristics, making them a distinct and intriguing group of animals. So, are you ready to delve deeper into their world? With this overview, you are now ready for a deeper dive into the life of a baboon. The life of a baboon starts small, much like any other mammal. Born to a world of fierce survival, the life of a baboon begins in the heart of a troop. Troops can range from 20 to hundreds of individuals, a bustling community led by a dominant male. This is where our young baboon enters the scene, born after a gestation period of about 6 months. Newborn baboons are tiny, weighing just under 2 pounds. They are born with their eyes open, ready to observe their surroundings, and they cling tightly to their mother's fur, a secure anchor in a sea of movement and noise. In these early weeks, the mother is the primary caregiver. She showers her offspring with attention, grooming them meticulously and feeding them frequently. The young baboon's diet consists entirely of mother's milk for the first 2 months, after which it slowly begins to sample solid food. The nurturing doesn't stop with the mother. Baboons live in a complex society where everyone has a role to play. Other females, known as aunts, often assist in caring for the young. Younger siblings, too, participate, learning valuable nurturing skills for their future roles as parents. As the weeks turn into months, the young baboon begins to explore the world around it, under the watchful eyes of the troop. It learns to forage for food, play with its peers, and communicate using a range of vocalizations and body gestures. This early socialization is crucial in shaping the baboon's future interactions and status within the troop. In the first year of life, a young baboon will triple its weight, growing stronger and more agile. It's a time of rapid physical development matched by the steady growth of cognitive abilities. By the time they reach their first birthday, they're well on their way to becoming fully integrated members of the troop. The early life of a baboon, though fraught with challenges, is also filled with learning and play. It's a time of exploration, bonding, and growth, setting the stage for the trials and triumphs of adolescence. As they grow and learn, baboons prepare for the next stage of their life, adolescence. The adolescent stage in a baboon's life is filled with learning and exploring. This phase, much like in human lives, is marked by curiosity, growth, and the development of key social skills. As they navigate through adolescence, baboons learn to forage, communicate, and interact within their intricate social systems. Baboon communities, known as troops, are incredibly complex, with hierarchical structures that dictate everything from feeding order to grooming relationships. In these troops, adolescents observe and emulate adult baboons, learning the ropes of baboon etiquette. It's a fascinating social dance, one that intermingles instruction and instinct. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into their social structure. In a baboon troop, both males and females have their own separate hierarchies. Interestingly, a male's position is often determined by his strength and aggression, while a female's is inherited from her mother. This matriarchal lineage showcases the essential role of females in baboon society. As adolescents transition into adulthood, their roles within the troop become more defined. Males may begin to challenge for higher status, engaging in dramatic displays of strength and dominance. Females, on the other hand, take on the responsibility of caring for the young, teaching them how to navigate the complexities of troop life. But it's not all work for these adult baboons. They are social creatures after all. Adults often engage in mutual grooming, a practice that not only helps keep them clean, but also strengthens social bonds. They also play, wrestle, and even show affection, demonstrating a range of emotions and behaviors that are strikingly similar to our own. It's this combination of social learning and biological instinct that shapes baboons into the adept survivors they are. Their adolescence is a time of rapid transformation, a period that prepares them for the responsibilities and challenges of adult life. Now, as adults, baboons play a crucial role in their community. Each baboon, regardless of their rank, contributes to the overall survival and success of the troop. In the grand tapestry of baboon society, every thread is vital, every individual essential to the collective. Baboons are not picky eaters, and this has a significant impact on their lifestyle. Now, isn't that a statement that piques your interest? Let's delve into the details. Baboons, like humans, are omnivorous, meaning they eat a wide range of foods, from fruits, grasses, seeds, and bark to insects, fish, and even small mammals. Their diet is as diverse as the African plains they inhabit. This varied diet allows them to adapt to a multitude of habitats, from the desert fringes to lush grasslands. Their eating habits reflect a complex relationship with their environment. Baboons spend a good part of their day foraging for food. The early morning hours just after sunrise are typically dedicated to this task. Their sharp eyes and nimble fingers scour the landscape, plucking up anything that looks tasty. Baboons are also known to take advantage of human settlements. They're quite adept at raiding crops and rummaging through garbage, a testament to their adaptability and resourcefulness. While this behavior can cause conflict with humans, it's a clear demonstration of their survival instincts. Aside from their dietary habits, baboons lead a very social lifestyle. They live in troops consisting of dozens or even hundreds of individuals. This social structure provides protection from predators and helps them locate food sources. It's a bustling community where each member has a role to play, from the dominant males who protect the group, to the females who care for the young. One of the most fascinating aspects of baboon behavior is grooming. It's not just about cleanliness. Grooming is a social activity, a way to strengthen bonds within the troop. They meticulously pick through each other's fur, removing dirt and parasites, and in the process, reinforcing social ties. To sum it up, baboons lead a dynamic lifestyle, defined by their diverse diet and complex social interactions. They're survivors, adapting to whatever their environment throws at them, whether it's a drought or a bustling city. Their diet and lifestyle paint a colorful picture of the baboon's daily life. Although baboons and monkeys share some similarities, they are distinctly different. At first glance, you might notice that both baboons and monkeys are primates, with opposable thumbs and similar social structures. However, the differences between them are more than skin deep. Baboons, for instance, are generally larger than most monkeys, and are known for their distinctive elongated snouts, which are not seen in monkeys. In terms of habitat, baboons primarily inhabit the African continent, while monkeys are more widespread, found in numerous parts of the world. Moreover, baboons are ground-dwelling creatures, spending much of their time on land, unlike many monkey species that prefer the treetops. A notable contrast lies in their diet. While both are omnivores, baboons have a broader diet, including a variety of plants, insects, fish, and even small mammals. Monkeys, on the other hand, rely heavily on fruits and insects. So, while baboons may resemble monkeys in some ways, they are unique in their own right.